Chicken already looks like very cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Beautiful. Now this one. Nice. It already smells. I'm waiting for the stick out for me. This one already
Great! Hey!